why keyword? Keyword is the only single term where our product gets connected to the user. So this is for the which in the digital marketing, keyword is a single word which crucially plays a very important role in connecting our product to the users. And once we connect the product to the users, and this is what the connecting factor. Okay, keyword is a connecting factor which we have to take it very serious, and we should be very specific to the product. Specific in the sense, what I mean is, for example, we are going to the Digital Marketing Institute. Okay, so you people are searching for the specifically for the PPC training. You are finding what is your keyword when you go for the PPC training. What all you will be searching for the keyword search terms. What you will do into the Google. What search terms?
PPC course in Bangalore,
PPC
training in Bangalore.
PPC training and in Bangalore. You are showing the specificity telling the PPC course in Bangalore, right? So now you'll be finding two ad copies. The headlines called Digital Marketing in Bangalore, okay, and PPC training in Bangalore, right? So which is a ad copy, headline you are more interested and you are going to click, because
That is what I was looking
more specific.
so what you are doing is, here is a decision making factor. Once you are giving the search query, then these two ad copies, the products have been shown to you, and then what are you doing?
I am choosing my.
Yes, you are deciding what is your requirement. According to your requirement, you are going to the particular product. For the particular product here, and till here we are success. Okay, so don't think that if we are neglecting these two, okay, these two are done, we are live in the online. But if you are neglecting any one of these four factors, we are gone. So the thing is, second thing, and yes, PPC training in Bangalore is my
Requirement.
yeah, product, and also the headline, everything is right. And so, but the only thing is, I'm in the 10th position. Are you going to see me? Are you going to click on that particular thing? No. So the position is also very important. We have 1 to 10 positions. Okay. The other position is also very important. Not sure what this is. Okay.
No, you are trying to talk from the SEO point of view. That's why you added 1 to 10. Not a
Yes.
problem.
Yes.
Yes. It's okay.
Okay. So in SEO we got only for one page 10 results. That's the thing, right? Okay. And
So this example is more specific to PPC.
PPC.
Yes,
Yeah, I'm
right.
talking very specific to the PPC.
Okay.
And now, why I'm telling why I'm in quality score is the thing, is the factor which comes when the very first factor when you go live, you will be getting the very first metric is at position. With the position only, you will be deciding whether to increase my bid, whether to decrease my bid, and whether to whether I'm capable enough to get into the market with the competition, and based on that only you will be decreasing or increasing the bid, and you will be deciding whether the keyword is performing according to you or not. Based on this position factor only, you will be taking many, you will be changing many factors. You will be increasing keyword match types. You will be changing your keyword match types, or decreasing the bid or increasing the bid. This is what, and you will be keeping on adding the keywords based on the position. Okay, and fine, once the position everything is done, why I am bringing the quality score to the very first, the one of the pillar, because now how Google interprets the formula is ad rank is equal to max CPC into quality score. This is how Google take our ad and gives us a position. So, for example, ad rank. For example, if I am bidding 1 rupee for my keyword, this is my max CPC, which I want to provide it to Google. When if my keyword has been an option to take to the first position, or to any good position, I am giving it max CPC is 1, and my quality score. Okay, quality score will be 1 to 10. 10 is 1 to 5 is below average, and 5, 6, 7 is good, and 8, 9 is 8, 9, 10 is
Above
excellent.
7 is good.
Yes, above 7 and 10 is excellent. Okay, fine. So when when I'm giving my max CPC as 1 and my quality score is 10 and my ad rank is 10, okay, and when my competitor is bidding for 2 rupees and his quality score is 4, his ad rank is 8. And you tell me which is higher in this and what Google prefers. And okay, before that, who is bidding more here?
Competitor.
And
No, the competitor 2 is bidding more.
yes, the
Yes.
competitor 2 is bidding more. But what Google, whose ad rank is higher?
It is the first competitor,
First competitor. So what Google prefers is
the highest ad rank.
highest ad rank.
Ad rank.
And because of
Good quality score.
good quality score. Even I'm bidding it at a low cost, but my quality score is very good, so I'm in the very first position. So that is one of the reason why it is very important, and quality score is one of the main pillar when we're doing it for DTC. So these are the 4 factors which we should consider, which we should keep on tracking every day, every minute, every moment we go to the campaign and we check the status. So these are the 4 pillars which we have to start with, and then we'll go with the keywords, what all keywords we need to take, and based on that.
Can I ask you one question? Certain keywords I saw, still they are at a lower quality score.
Okay.
They're having 2 to 3 quality score with a good position. One second or third position. What would be the reasons?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. So you wanted
See, certain keywords having very low quality score, but
Okay.
still they are at good position.
Hmm.
It might be 2 or 3. What would be the reasons?
Reason being, you're bidding it very high, and your competition for the keywords are not that much. They're not that much competitive. Your competitors are not bidding that much high. The only thing ad rank, the consideration is ad rank is equal to max CPC into quality score.
Yes.
This is the only one mantra. There is no other thing.
Even if the quality was low?
Bid it very high. Okay, you tell me.